Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars better. First, always understand your chosen brawler's strengths and weaknesses. Knowing their attack range, damage output, and super ability is crucial for effective gameplay. Also, familiarize yourself with the specific objectives of each game mode, whether it's collecting gems, scoring goals, or holding an area. Prioritizing survival and smart positioning will significantly improve your overall performance in every match. Selecting the right brawler for the job is paramount to victory. Always consider your team's composition. A balanced team with one tank, one damage dealer, and one support brawler often performs best. Furthermore, the map layout plays a huge role. Open maps favor long-range sharpshooters, while maps with lots of bushes are perfect for close-range assassins. Adapting your brawler choice to the situation gives you a significant advantage. Mastering the map is about more than just knowing where the walls are. Always use cover to your advantage, shielding yourself from enemy fire and allowing your health to regenerate. Controlling the middle of the map often provides access to key objectives and better sightlines. Pay close attention to enemy patterns and predict their movements. Knowing when to retreat, heal up, and re-enter the fight can turn the tide of any match. To truly excel, focus on advanced techniques. Practice dodging enemy projectiles by moving erratically, making you a harder target to hit. Don't waste your super ability. Save it for crucial moments like breaking walls, securing objectives, or eliminating multiple enemies. After every match, reflect on your performance and identify what went well and what could be improved. Playing regularly with a consistent team of 2 or 3 friends will also significantly enhance your coordination and overall success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.